We just need to do one thing else. We have to move our styles to a separate styles.js, because that way our code gets more clear and better to understand. It's more professional too. We have to make a new folder named style, and here we make a file named shared styles that are for shared components, shared styles.js, and we make a new file for the home component, home styles.js. We go to our shared components and make our styles for the components we made. Shared styles constant button tab layout, button tab layout styles equals to an object, and go to the button tab layout, cut all these and bring them here in the styles. Just close all the unnecessary files. To reach your styles better. Okay. Ctrl+Shift+F to make it prettier, and just export button tab layout styles, and we make index.js for styles and export everything from shared styles, and export everything from home styles. Okay, we go to the button tab layout and import the style related to the button tab layout. Okay, I import the button tab layout I imported myself manually. Go out of shared folder and enter styles, then import bottom tab layout styles, and that's it. Just one thing, that main blue is not imported here. Main blue imported, so everything is okay. Okay, go to the next component in the shared folder, text. We have some stylings here. Const. Pay attention that in B text, L text, and M text, this style is shared. So instead of giving the name B text, I give text styles. And import bold font family here. Export text styles. And import text styles here. Just remove this, import from styles. Text styles styles. Oh, sorry, something is wrong. Here we did the same mistake. We have to give a triple dot and it applies. Now go to the find your state, the next component. I make a find your state. Close all this for now. I make a const find your state styles, and here we have multiple styling, like for the wrapper view. Go to the style, make a wrapper or main wrapper, maybe it's better, main wrapper. Export your styling, find your styles, find your state styles, okay, find your state styles dot main wrapper. But here we can define it like the states and the other constants we used before. So we make const find your styles, because we have many of them here in this file and maybe other screens that we make in the future. So we use main wrapper like we define the state, main wrapper, then use it with triple dot and it applies. This is find your state. This is, for example, we name it title, we name that title, and we just import it here and use it with triple dot here. Then in the scroll view we have content container style. So we tell that we have a card scroll view with this styling which is undefined here, so we import it. Okay, we go here and import our card scroll view. Sorry, it's better to say card scroll view container because it's content container style. Container. We do not get mixed up. Yes, that's okay. We can use it like this with triple dots, or we can use it alone. If you have just one object, you can use it alone in the curly bracket. If you have two or more styles, you have to use it with triple dots. But here we don't need them. Okay, card scroll view container, then this is styling, card scroll view itself, card scroll view, card scroll view, and then we enter the cards section. We don't have the styling that we can move to the shared styles here, so we do not change this. Go to its view. This is this row. So we use the styling of cards. Then in cards we use first row container, and we import it here, and we import cards, and then here we use it like cards dot first row container. Here we have a white-rounded layout, that is the layout of the icon. So we cut it and go to the shared styles, go to the cards, and make an icon wrapper style here. If we haven't imported main blue, we import it and go to this styling and give cards dot icon wrapper styling to it. Then go to this L text, that is the label of this icon, and make a label styling for it. Then use it like cards dot label, and then we have these lines below them. Cut this style, go to cards styling, and make a line styling here. Use it here like cards dot line, and that's okay. We're now out of the cards styling. Go out of the scroll view. The next view is for the scroll indicators, and this is the scroll indicator wrapper. We go out of the cards and make indicators styling, and make a wrapper styling for it, that is the thing we cut it. Import indicators, and here we give indicators dot wrapper, and here we have some styling that are constant and some styling that are dynamic, like this background color. I move this line above the dynamic styling and cut this fixed style. So go here and make an items style and paste this styling in curly brackets. Then come here with triple dot, because we have multiple styles here. We use indicators dot items, and then it applies. Then go out of the indicator section. We have a full width button here. Just cut all these. Go to the styling. Go out of the indicators styling, and here you have a button styling. You can name these styles whatever you want. Just import the button styling. Go to your button style and give this button styling to it. Then this is the button title. So it's better to make a button styling and then give wrapper styling to it and then title styling to it. This is the title styling and this is the wrapper styling. So we can use it like button.wrapper and button.title. And that's all. Find Your Stay component is ready. You see that it got very clear. Okay, just close Find Your Stay, go to Full Width button and cut these styles. Go to Share the Styles. Go out of the Find Your Stay size and make a full width button styles. And just paste them here. Then export the full width styles. And just use it with triple dots. Remove this main blue here. That's done. Then go to the next component, text. You have made it before, like text styles, and remove this font. Font families are not the same in the text. So for text styles, font size is the same, but this font family must change. So for B text, we use a B text here. We give font family of bold font family L text. We give font family of normal font family, and M text with font family of medium font family. And now that's okay. We go to btext to correct it. Text styles dot btext. But you have to copy this line. And that's all done. Let's go here, text styles.ltext. Map button. In the map button, we have a wrapper styling and no other styling for iPhone. So I just cut this map button styling. Const map button styles. It's just and export it. Then import the map button styles in the map button, and then close it. Go to next one. We have this here. Just use triple dot with text styles dot mtext. It's not important, text styles. And just remove this medium font family and you're all done. Go to the next one, popular text card. We have a wrapper styling here. I cut that. Popular stays, make a const. Popular stays card styles, and this is the wrapper. This is the wrapper. And we haven't exported it yet. Popular states card, popular states card dot wrapper states card styles. This is because we remove this curly bracket here. States card styles. Let's do it once again. Popular states card styles doesn't import automatically, so I imported myself from, go out of shared, and this is the styles. Popular states card styles, make a const here because the styles are more than 1 or 2. Popular states card styles, I import the wrapper, use the wrapper here, or main wrapper is better. Again the same mistake, main wrapper, main wrapper. The next styling is for the image. Make an image. Just import image here. Give the styling of image. Cut this L text styling. Go to create desk styling. Import it here. And give the desk styling to your text, and then make a title. Just import the title and use it here. Just rename this image to image style. And the problem gets solved. Even about the description, there is some mistakes in styling disk styles. About title style. Title style. Okay, the problem got solved. Now we just need to create a style for the last row. Go here, final last row, wrapper, here I say last row, and here I use last row dot wrapper. Then I need last row dot first view, last row dot first view. We do not need any styling here. Last row dot first view is like the last row dot second view, so we do not duplicate it and just rename the styling like last row dot internal view, internal view, internal view. And here again we do not have any styling except this one, and we use stars here. We say last row dot stars, and we're all done. You see that it got very nicer. Let's remove unnecessary imports. It's okay, we just didn't change all of the files for unnecessary imports. Okay, now we're in the search button. Just cut this, go to styling, search button, const, search button, styling, styles, export it. It's okay, close it, go to welcome card. Here we have these stylings, we cut them. Go to styling, make a const for welcome card styles. This is something that you need to make inner variables, like this is the wrapper or main wrapper. Export the welcome card styles. Const was to welcome card styles, main wrapper. Here use the main wrapper. Here we cut this and create image here as a style and import it, image. This is welcome text, or yes, welcome text. We name it welcome text. Just welcome text. Welcome text. Then the next one is name text. Here we import the name text. Put it here, and the last one is the style of the icon. Make an icon. And just import it here. Icon. And that's okay. Just Ctrl+Shift+F to make prettier. And close it. Go to the next component, white rounded layout, cut the constant, styling. We just remove the curly bracket. So go to make the constant for white rounded layout styles. And this is the styling. Just export that white rounded layout styles. And here we import it with triple dot. And you see that it's all okay. And the style of the shared components is over.